My second home, y'all. Let's check it out. I hate living here, guys. I finally put back the radar, so that's finally, because all the time I was not able to detect the cops because I took off the radar, but now the radar's back. I finally put her on. I could detect cops now, guys. Y'all see it live in action. I'm about to go wash the car right now, so ours in the vlog right now. I can't really do that much pulls or be crazy with the whip. It sucks, but I will be cruising over there and ours in the vlog once I'm done finished washing the car and ceramic coating it. I got all the bottles right there. I'm not sure if you can see them right there. Those 2 bottles to ceramic coat the cars and look brand new, super good. Stay tuned. There's a car meet to go to next, so I might end up going to the meet. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but we'll see what happens, guys. You already know your boy always throws bangers. There's 3 meets in the weekend, guys, so let's make it happen. Well, here we go. First fill up of the day. Let's check it out again. They said live in Cali, own a V8, right? Premium. Let's get this shit. Let's see how much it takes. I'm here like 24/7. This is like my second home, guys, but I mean, it is what it is, right? I wanted a V8. I wanted to live out here. Damn, that fool rolled up hard in here. That fool burned tire hard. That's right. Toyota Maniacs. They're at the car meet already. Sheesh. Let's see how much you take. Take all my money. That's what I love seeing. But yeah, guys, we out here right now. I was in the vlog right now. Once I'm back in the car, I'm about to go to the car wash the car. Doesn't even need a wash, but I'm about to do the ceramic coating all over the paint again and just have it shiny and looking brand new. Have the paint taken care of. Yes, sir. Take a few pictures right now too. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I just freshly washed her. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but she is freshly washed. I just ceramic coated her too. Like, this camera doesn't do it justice. Like the camera from the iPhone now, I think records a whole lot better than this camera. So I might start using the iPhone camera. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. But check it out. Like, I ceramic coated her. So now when you pour water on top of the paint, like, the sun just doesn't do it justice. Like, this camera doesn't do it justice in real life. Like, this paint is OEM, super beautiful, super taken care of, ceramic coated. So it's protected from bird poop, from water, from everything now. And I ceramic coated the rims too. Like, she's just ready to go, guys. Check her out. Like, you guys see that live in action. She is beautiful now. The paint feels so soft too now. Like it's just crazy. Like, it just feels super soft, like a baby's bottom now. Like, I don't know, it's just smooth. Like, I need to buy more of this spray, guys. Like, but you could even use a ceramic coat on the windows. Like, it's crazy, y'all. She's ready to go though, guys. So now let's meet up with Alex, because he is getting his car washed right now from the homie. Is that a cold start, dog? Yes, sir. For safety, seatbelts for safety, y'all. Just how Dora says it. Stay tuned. Ours in the vlog now once we pull up to Alex's house. All right, guys. So Alex is about to get his car washed right now. You can see the whip right there. So yeah, guys, Alex is about to get his car washed right now. Y'all see how shiny my car looks though? I just literally washed it myself. Check it out. Look how shiny the paint shines in the sun, guys, in the sunlight. That's crazy. Like, that's just me doing it by myself. 15 bucks. I put ceramic coat on the paint. The paint is smooth. Water slides off like butter, bird poop, everything, and it just feels like a baby's bottom. So let's see how Alex's car does right now. He's about to park it right here, but he's gonna detail it. I'm gonna ask him if I can get him in video and see how he washes the cars, guys. Stay tuned. Is that a Tommy, dog? Yes, sir. All right, guys, stay tuned though. Check them out. Perrits in the Jeep. Pinche CEO Premium Auto Detailing. A la verga. Y'all already know. Y'all see him right there in a little Jeep, guys. So if y'all need any mobile detailing, hit him up. Get your whips looking right. Shiny a la verga. Sheesh. Yes, sir. That shit is hard as hell, guys. So he's about to wash the whip right now. Let's see the makeover, because Alex's car is very dirty, guys. Check out the windshield. Like, check it out. I'm dirty. Damn, good thing I don't leave my car in the freaking outside. I leave my car in the garage, guys, or else my car would be looking like that. Sheesh, this shit's dirty as hell. Check them out. Let's check out the Jeep. What's up? What's up, Premium Auto Detailing? Sheesh, yes, sir. The new Jeep a la verga. We out here. That shit is hard though. Yes, sir. He just copped this one, brand new, guys. He has a whole tank in the back, the whole machine, everything ready to go, guys. So if you guys need any freaking washes in the Inland Empire, you guys already know. Auto Detailing, CEO Premium Auto Detailing, guys. Hit him up. You guys see it. Aquí estamos. A ver, let's see what you got right now. Let's see what you got right now, guys. In the Inland Empire, CEO Auto Premium Detailing, guys. Ahí estamos. Yes, sir. He's about to wash. What car are you gonna wash right now, huh?
Right here.
La Gatito?
Daytona coming through.
Yes, sir.
We got the other Hellcat.
Yes, sir. Allá. Parqueado. Parked over there, guys. Yes, sir.
Strictly Hellcat.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
You already know. Pure badass cars, guys. He just details pure badass cars. So you already know what the dealio is, guys. Stay tuned. Ours in the vlog right now. Once he's finished washing the whip, I'll probably record him a little bit washing the car. Damn, check the inside out though. Let's see. Damn, this shit's hard. When did you get it, bro? Huh? When did you get it? You got it like about like a month ago?
Yeah, like a month ago.
This shit's fresh. There you guys go. This clean. I give it a perrito, guys, because he did it all by himself. That's crazy. Let's see how the makeover looks for now, guys. Stay tuned. Let me check it out. ¿Qué tienes ahí? ¿Qué traes? Pure chemical, guys. Ay, padre. Ahí ya saben, mira. Puro chemical, guys. Puro chemical, guys. Butter wax spray, spray wax, blazing banana, the Diablo. Nothing but good chemical, guys. That's good. Sheesh. I remember I used to use this one myself, too. Chemical, guys. This one, the water spot remover. I used to buy their products all the time, dog. Sheesh. That's right. Aquí tiene todo, mira. The vacuum, bien grande. The polisher. Stop playing. Damn. The dashboard detailer. Everything, guys. Hit him up in the IE. CEO Automobile Detailing. Ya saben a la verga. I'll comment his ad right here, guys. In the screen, he has everything. You already know, guys. Míralo. Hasta le pone la gorra. He puts the gorra. Sheesh. We're about to do the whole mobile detailing right now, guys. So stay tuned. He's about to turn on the herramienta right now. Véndale la cherga. Yes, sir. Got the water tank in the back, too. So let's get it right now. We're going to turn it on and make this shit look brand new because this thing is filthy. Check it out. Sheesh. You got the old Dodge Charger scat. This car brought a lot of good memories, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This thing is crazy. Me and Alex used to go crazy in this car, guys. This is when me and him first fixed up our scat packs. I just find it funny that the rear says RT instead of the Bumblebee, the scat pack. But yeah, these cars, me and Alex first got crazy with these cars, built them up, made them look like this. Like I remember we thought we were all hurt with these small ass brake calipers on them. Like that's small compared to the calipers we have now. Those are like the 3-piston ones. Those are the 6-piston ones on the Hellcats now. But yeah, guys, that's the scat pack right there. A lot of great memories on these cars. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We got Perrit right here, putting in the work with his machine. You guys check him out. He's barely vacuuming the cars. He just sprayed a good amount of like degreaser on the rims because they're very dirty. He's doing his job, putting in that work, vacuuming it up, making it look brand new. Yes, sir. Getting the interior like crazy. Woo! Getting the cup holders. Oh, every little area. Gotta make it look clean. Yes, sir. Every little edge, little corners, everything counts, guys. So he's about to just finish vacuuming the inside up. And then goes outside. So we'll see the outside after he's done with the interior, guys. Let's check it out right now. Yes, sir. The greaser's putting in work because the black is coming off like crazy off the rims too.
My diamonds busting out the light, you see the boulders in them. Once you sneak you out the posse, it's over, nigga.
Let's check it out. Todavía está mojado. It's still wet. You guys see a little wet marks, but he's drying it right now, guys. But this shit coming out wet. Look at those wheels, guys. Like, look at those things. They're freaking chrome. A little bit of racing on it, going 80 and above and braking. They're gonna be black like in the next freaking 10 seconds and shit. Alex's brake pads be leaving so much dust, like it's crazy. Mine too, but mine are black rims, so you can't tell. His are chromed out, but these are super chrome. Like, it look like fresh out the dealer.
My fresh haircut and river
shit. Hey, Perrit, what do you use on those wheels, bro? Those things are clean. The greaser, huh?
You gotta get my service.
Damn, bro, you gotta get a service.
That's A1.
That's A1. He ain't gonna say what you're gonna use on those rims, but look at this. Like, look, like fresh out the lot, guys. Like, barely made. Like, damn, that's crazy. He hasn't even touched it yet. Just so y'all can see, he hasn't even touched it yet, guys. This is freshly manufactured out the lot. Like, look at these rims. They're just shiny in the sun, guys. Look at these things. Sheesh.
I haven't even
yeah, he hasn't even touched them, guys. They're clean though. Car's looking good overall. Y'all see it live in action.
I'm following my detail protocol.
Yes, sir. The interior is all vacuum ready to go. Check it out, guys. Sheesh. Shiny leather. Smells good in here. Everything's vacuum. Looks like brand new, fresh out the lot. He's just gonna finish with the wheels, guys. Finish drying the whole vehicle up. And then he's gonna wash his Pop's scat pack over there. You guys see the scat that when I was recording earlier? Well, yeah, we're gonna wash that one right now too, so stay tuned. Our original vlogger now. This guy puts in work. Hit him up, CEO Premium Detailing. I'll put his ad right here, guys, in the Inland Empire. He's mobile. He'll come to you guys for a good price. I mean, he ain't bad. He does a good job, guys. So you already know, ceramic coat too on the paint, makes it feel shiny, and water just slides off. So you already know, guys, extra layer of protection on your paint, as well as your freaking vehicle being so shiny and clean in and out, guys. Stay tuned, or money back guarantee. Y'all heard him right there. I was in the vlogger now. Once he's finished with that car, guys, and see how the overall process of how it came out, and we're gonna see that car as well, the snack pack over there, the scat pack. We're gonna wash that car too. It's gonna look like a beautiful baby, guys. Let's check it out right now, guys. Stay tuned. He's gonna ceramic coat the paint afterwards and make it feel soft. This was paint already soft, softer than mine originally without the ceramic coat. I ceramic coated mine earlier, so it's softer already. Water falls off, but let's check it out.
Level 2 paint correction.
Level 2 paint correction. Y'all heard him right there. Yes, sir. This thing is freshly painted already, guys. This thing's freshly clean. It looks like you could literally put this car in the showroom, guys. Like, this fool does a great job. So hit him up. CEO Auto Premium Detailing right here. Y'all already know, in the Inland Empire. Ahí estamos. Original vlogger now. Sheesh. Y'all already know, though, the microfiber soft towels, mira. Puro from chemical, guys. Puro limpieza right here, guys. And he's not even done yet. He still has to add the second step paint correction and the ceramic coating. Mira. Sheesh. Like, this is a true beauty right here, guys. Like, hit him up. I'm telling you guys, good pricing, great quality work. Like, look at those rims. Like, those are super clean, guys. Like, it's just amazing. You already know, putting in the action, putting in the work, man behind the job right here. Yes, sir. Fresh out the lot, manufactured, like literally from the dealership right now. You guys got everything right here, so hit him up. He's mobile in the Inland Empire, you guys. You already know. All the great quality products, guys. Great quality products, guys. He even got the third tire in the rear over here too, just in case for an emergency, so you know he'll never get stranded out. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Go hard. Yes, sir. Check out the aftermath. You got the perrito right here. What's up, bro? Yes, sir. Ceramic coated. About to back out. Yes, sir. The water just slides off like crazy, y'all. This thing is just ready to go. Ceramic coated. Check it out. Ceramic coated, everything washed. The wheels are just shiny. Jeez. All done by CEO Auto Premium Detailing. You already know, the Inland Empire. Right here. Hit him up. That's just fresh. About to wash the scat pack next. Then the mom's Camry. Now he's washing the whole dealership right here. Yes, sir. Stay tuned, guys. See what's up right now. Who's next? Who's next? Hit him up. You already know. Check him out. He just cleaned the whole whip. Sheesh. CEO Auto Premium Detailing in the Inland Empire. He just finished all the rides. The Camry, the fucking scat pack with the V6 spreader. I don't know what the fuck that is. Look at him. Buying down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this shit. Clean, super shiny, ready to go. Get your rides looking wet with the armor on the tires. Let's check out that booty.
This is no BBLs.
No BBL, straight wet. Look at that. Sheesh. Natural, no BBL, guys. He got the whole kit with him too. Jeep rolling in. You already know. Hit him up in the IE.
This is a 392.
392, yes, sir. Pulls up to you. You already know. Nothing like that. Mobile detailing. He'll just pull up to you and get your ride looking right. Anytime, you already know. Just let him know, guys. Sheesh. Stay tuned for what's to come for the channel, because I might go to a car meet tonight, and yeah, probably vlog that out, guys. All right, y'all. So this is the end of today's vlog. Y'all already know what the dealio is, in the mealio is, in the cafilio is. Y'all stay tuned for what's to come to the channel. I appreciate all love and support, the family, everything, guys. Y'all already know. Stay tuned. Let's get it, y'all.
Stop playing with these niggas.
Young rich niggas.
Yeah. Coach me, Joey.
No cap.
We ain't playing no games, nigga.
It's counting up 50 in 30 minutes, nigga.